SG.
Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So first, it's quite an honor to join the leadership of Nairobi County here in Nairobi to discuss the ongoing humanitarian situation. As the Kenya Red Cross, an impartial and neutral humanitarian organization, will be working with everyone who is on board, who is willing to help in reaching out to the affected population wherever they may be. We've had an excellent discussion with the ODM party in terms of what strategies to use to reach the most affected people, and we will work together to provide and deliver an impartial and neutral services to all affected population. As we speak, the rains may have stopped in Nairobi and it is looking bright and shiny. We still have quite a number of families in displacement camps, and these are families who are in need of your support, in need of urgent medication, in need of food, in need of other forms of support, including shelter. We've also had a discussion with the ODM leadership around what other mechanisms we can use to support early recovery and permanent recovery, especially in form of shelter to the affected population. At the end of the day, we hope that we are going to plug this into the national response mechanism so that we avoid duplication, and then we also use the advantages of being able to distribute food and reach the affected population in a very coordinated manner. Ours is to thank you on behalf of the Kenya Red Cross for the faith you've extended to us and to the organization, and we will work with you hand in hand. Thank you.
Thank you.
And you're more efficient, and they have got less numbers, and then they will be okay with them not getting the
No, we have offered our system because our That's why I asked if they were working with. So I know you're going to we have offered.
Our challenge is we don't collect the data of beneficiaries if they don't have because you're giving the population hope.
No, this is strictly on the 10,000, which I think they want to make sure that everybody who's been displaced.
But that's also